Alright guys, so if your iPad is stuck on the lock screen, should fix that. So I'm going to show you for both without the home button and with the home button. To start, we'll do the Face ID. Of course, if it's not frozen, press cancel. Select cancel. We'll just say that if this is not working. So in this case, quickly press volume up, volume down, hold the power. Volume up, volume down, hold the power. Keep on holding. Screen's going to turn off, keep holding it. Until you see the apple. Okay, the fingerprint. You're going to hold down the power button and the home button. So hold them at the same time. The screen will come up, keep holding them until you see the apple. Alright guys, thanks for watching.